Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Hyundai Sonata's Bluetooth. First, make sure your Sonata is parked in a safe location with the engine running. Next, grab your mobile phone and turn on its Bluetooth feature, ensuring it is discoverable by other devices. Then, navigate to the Setup menu on your Sonata's infotainment screen. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth connection process. Once you are in the Setup menu, select the Bluetooth option. From there, you will typically see an option to Add New Device or Connect New Device. Tap on this to begin the pairing process. Your Sonata will then start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Within a few moments, your mobile phone's name should appear on the car's display, ready for the next step. Now, select your phone's name from the list that appears on your Sonata's screen. Both your phone and the car's display will show a 6-digit passkey. Verify that these numbers match exactly, then confirm the connection on both devices. Finally, your phone may ask for permission to access your contacts and call history. Granting this access ensures full hands-free functionality for calls and messages. If you encounter any difficulties, try restarting both your mobile phone and your Sonata's infotainment system. Sometimes, simply turning them off and on again resolves minor glitches. Also, consider deleting any old or unused Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the car to free up memory. For specific instructions or unique features, always refer to your Hyundai Sonata's owner's manual for the most accurate information.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.